Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to put together a Gemini campaign. It's super simple. Okay, so you have the template that basically comes from Yahoo Gemini, but anyway, I divided it into 4 sections. Okay, so it's keywords, ads, ad groups, and campaign location. Okay, so we're gonna start with the keywords. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna populate this thing and change a few bits and pieces here and there. Okay, so we need to have a keyword list. Okay, so I look at a keyword list I'm gonna use, so you will have other keyword list. Okay, so basically, so this keyword list is only 13,000 keywords, so we're gonna use 5,000 keywords max. Okay, so we're gonna create here the ad groups. Okay, so if it is 13,000, we're gonna divide by 5, so it's 3 ad groups. Okay, so if you have 100,000, it's gonna be 20. Okay, and always do maximum 20. So if you have 300,000 keywords, just do three campaigns. Okay, so max 100k keywords. Okay, in groups of 5k. Okay, so this is what we're trying to do. So in this case, we're gonna first call this campaign. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna call it so this campaign is gonna go into the I think it's gonna go into the wrinkle series, so we're gonna call it wrinkle. Okay, actually we're gonna call it so give me 1 sec. Okay, so this is actually the name of the campaign, depth ph med. So we're gonna call it in this case elderly, because this keyword list is about elderly. So I'm gonna call this elderly. So this is actually the name of the ad groups. So I usually do the name of the campaign underscore the number. Okay, and then so I said I'm gonna do just three ad groups, so I'm gonna drag it down, and now we have our list. Okay, so now we have basically the name of the ad groups. Okay, and these are the keywords. Okay, so what we do now is we take the keywords, copy, and then we go into the template, and now you need to search. You see here it says keywords, so it's column Z. Okay, and now we're gonna paste here. Okay, so I'm gonna paste alright, give me 1 sec, I copied wrong probably. So copy, paste. Okay, so this is step 1. Then we need the match type. Okay, so everything is gonna be broad. Okay, so we're gonna drag this down. Okay, so this is we have broad and the name of the keywords. Okay, so then we need the ad group name. Okay, which is column N. Okay, so it looks confusing, it's actually super simple. So now we're gonna go here, and these are the ad group names. Okay, so remember we divided the keyword list into these 3 groups, and then it's always 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so if you have 20, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 20, and then again 1 2 3, etc., etc. Okay, so now boom, we take this and we're gonna copy here, right? So this is the ad group name. Okay, and it should end exactly at the same level. Okay, then there are other bits and we need to complete. So you're gonna scroll to the right, this part here, keyword parameter, just delete this stuff. We don't need this. And then you have this active. So you need to copy all these 3 at the level of for all the keywords, right? So remember it starts at column AW. So what I usually do, I go here, then I scroll all the way to the last cell, I find AW, select everything, copy, so paste, and we've done it. Okay, So this part is done. Now we go to the left and we have the campaign name. Okay, so usually if it is elderly 1 2 3, I call it elderly. Okay, so I call elderly, and this is actually I would call it wrinkle elderly. Okay, so because all campaigns are called wrinkle, okay, because basically we have different accounts and they're all the same. Basically one is called wrinkle ph and the other one will be called aging ph and another one is called face ph, but they're all the same. It's just a way to get more clicks. Okay, I'm trying to find ways to get more traffic. Okay, so the same keyword list is uploaded to different accounts and we just change the first part. Okay, but just remember, if all the campaigns are called wrinkle, okay, wrinkle rash, wrinkle that, so you're gonna have wrinkle and then the theme of year. Okay, so in this case elderly. Okay, now this part here. Okay, now we need to copy these three parts here. So the name of the campaign, the fact is a keyword, and the action, we need to add these keywords into the system. So we copy these three, then we get to the bottom. I'm gonna go to A. Okay, I go up and basically we copy from everything. Okay, so now we've done the keywords. Okay, so all we've done here, we put in the keyword under the column keyword, we specify as broad, then we went to the right. Okay, we said that this active is for everything. Then we went to the left and we copied the ad groups. Okay, so that the system knows where the keywords, so this keyword here is part of elderly 1. Then we gave a name to the campaign, okay, here, and then we copied everything down. Okay, so this is the part for the keywords. So then the next part is we take the unique ad groups, so it's 1 2 3. So if there were 20, you would take 20. So I copy this and we go under ad groups. Okay, and now we basically have to copy them here. Okay, so we take values from that side. Then here we have to specify the campaign name. Again, we go here and the campaign name is wrinkle elderly. So now we copy it here for the first 3 ad groups. Okay, and then we need to copy this action here down. Okay, so it's very, very simple. I mean, there's nothing to think here. Okay, so you just need to do it once. Okay, then we go go to the right. Okay, and here there are basically the search. So these are the bids for the campaign. Okay, so we only use search. So basically I'm gonna tell you straight away what to put all the time. So put 0.31 here and 0.1 here. Okay, so on the search CPC use 0.31 and the stream use 0.1. Copy. Okay, and then we have a few more bits we need to copy down. So this is important. This is the date that the thing starts. So remember, the first part is the month, then is the day, and then is the year. Okay, so I made a mistake in the past, so be careful. So this month is September, so it's going to be 09. At the time of recording this video, it still is the 24th, and the year is 2015. Okay, and then basically you need to copy all these 3 parts here and copy down for as many ad groups you have. Okay, so I only have 3, so I'm gonna copy until there. Okay, so go here, boom. Okay, and now we've done the ad groups. Okay, so it's very, very, very simple. Okay, so basically these you're basically starting from the keywords and copying the values we have put here. You copy them there. Now we need to go into campaign location. Okay, campaign and location. So basically here we specify the name of the campaign. Okay, so you see it says your campaign name, visit web, so leave this. So basically this is the type of campaign, the budget, so put this to 1,000. Now we're gonna change a few values. Okay, so delete the last 2 bits. This is gonna be only the campaign and the location, so we don't need this. So the campaign name, we're gonna take it from one of the other tabs, and we're gonna put it here. Okay, wrinkle orderly. So we change the budget. So this part here, this is gonna be United States, and then this is a code that basically you need to memorize, or I'm actually gonna, so actually I don't know myself, but I'm gonna it's always the same, so I'll find it from another campaign. So United States is this number here. Okay, so just to watch the video or write it down. So okay, so we're gonna put it here. Okay, so it's 23424977. Okay, well, it's just a code of Gemini, of Yahoo, you know, it's the same thing. And then we scroll to the right, and this is all fine. Okay, so we don't need to copy anything here. So all we've done here is we put in this stupid code, United States. So all campaigns are for the United States unless I tell you differently. And you put here the name of the campaign and the budget. So this one is actually campaign budget. Okay, so it's $1,000 a day. Okay, the last bit is the ads. So the ads is a little bit more tricky, but I'll show you. It's actually very simple. Okay, so it depends on how many ad groups we have. So if you have 3 ad groups, you're gonna have at least 3 ads. Okay, 1 ad for each ad group. If you have 2 ads, you're gonna have 3 and 3. Okay, so we use always the same ad groups. So the easiest thing to do, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's super simple. So the easiest way to do is to go into the account where you're gonna upload the campaign. Okay, so in this case we are into the body ecology, and pick any campaign. Okay, any campaign will do. Okay, and the reason is that all the campaigns have the same ads. Okay, and then pick any ad groups. So any ad group will do, and then you want to find the ads. For some reason, if it doesn't find, so you just want to find the. Or let's go back. It is the same thing. So don't do it at the ad group level. Go into the. So actually, let's start again. So you're gonna go into the account where you're gonna upload the campaign. Click on any campaign, and then click on ads. Okay. So once you see the ads appearing, click here. So this thing above everything, okay, it's gonna select everything. And in fact, actually select the maximum level here. So when you go down, so that you see all the ads. So let's pick 200. And then you reselect everything. Okay, so basically we're trying to download the ads. Okay, so you're gonna pick exactly the right domain, the right name, and everything. Now we're just gonna copy and paste and modify. So once you have all the ads selected, okay, so let me do it again so it's clear. So you're gonna pick any campaign of the account where you're gonna upload stuff. Okay, maybe pick one that has traffic, so we know it's right, it is correct. So click on the campaign, click on ads, okay, and then basically select the maximum number of ads displayed per page. Okay, Okay, once the ads appear, select everything. So here this tick mark here, go under action, download selected this level. Okay, so it's gonna start download, which should be very quickly. It should go very quick. In fact, it's done it. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it, and this is basically so you don't have to think anything. You just download in the ads, and we're just gonna adjust for the name of the ad groups. Okay. Okay, so I think it's finished, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, so this may sound confusing, but it's actually very simple. So these are all ads. Okay, now you're not interested in any of this stuff. The only thing you're interested into is this part here. Okay. Okay, so I think the easiest way to do it is so basically we wanna copy these ads. Okay, you see there are 3 ads here. Okay, so there is this ad here. See, they're all the same. This type of ads here is all the same. So it's basically this title and this description, this title and this description, and this title and this description. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you take the first one. Okay, copy. Actually, you copy everything. So it's title, description, display URL, landing URL, and sponsor by. Okay, so copy everything. Now we go into our campaign. Okay, and now you paste it here. Okay, title 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 ad groups. We're gonna paste it here. Okay. And then make sure that we don't have an add HQ image URL, so delete this part here. Okay, so basically you should only have a title, a description, a display URL, a landing URL, and then this part here, no, this name here is actually should go under sponsor by. Don't know why it went there. It should be there. Okay, so under sponsor by you have the name of the account, landing is here, display URL. Okay, so now, so this is the first ad. So now we need to put here the name of the campaign. So now it's easier, huh? We go in under ad group, we take the name of the campaign and we put it under ads. Boom. Okay, done. And then we take the ad groups. Okay, so it's elderly 1, 2, 3. Okay, under ads. Okay, elderly 1, 2, 3. Okay, now if there is another ad, so now really what you need to do is modify. The only thing you need to modify is this this part here in the landing URL. Basically we need to change this wrinkle 0923 ph2 campaign, and the ad is the same. Okay, so the ad is, this one is ad 82, that's fine, they're all ad 82 because they're all the same. But the campaign is now wrinkle 0923 hyphen ph2. The campaign will be this one, huh? Okay, wrinkle elderly. So you need to copy this. So if you know how to use Excel, there's a better way to do it, but it gets complicated. So I would just do this. Under campaign, you're just gonna place here this code here, okay? And make sure that you don't go over this ampersand here, because otherwise it's not gonna work, right? Okay, so copy here. I will copy down. Hang on a sec. Then you still have the add group. So the add group is see this part here. We need to change this. Okay. So to change that, we need to find what is the add group. It's the elderly one. Okay. So we're gonna copy this, and then here where it says add group, we're gonna put elderly one. Okay. And then all you need to do is copy it down. Make sure you copy just like this. Don't drag it down. And then where it says, you see now we have, this one is add group 1. No? This one should be add group 2. This one should be add group 3. Okay, so all you need to do is to now modify them just like this. Okay. You see this add group equal elderly 1. So you can do elderly 2. And in this one you can say elderly 3. Okay, and basically what we've done, we've taken the ads the way they were, and we've just put in the name of the campaign which we found here on the left. Then we took the ad group name elderly 1 2 3, and we put it into this URL. Okay, so where it says add group, because this is what I need to find out what is working. Okay, so this is what tells me what's working and what's not working. Okay, so this is important. Okay, so now let's say that you need to do another ad. Okay, because we had more ads. Okay, remember when we downloaded that campaign, we had more ads. Okay, so this is this is the download. Okay, so this was the first ad. Okay, and it is ad 82. Now in this case we only want to have ad 82, but if I wanted, let's say that I wanted I wanted this ad as well. So for the time being, I'm actually gonna write you when I tell you to create the campaigns, but let's say that we want this ad 60 as well. So all we gonna do, we're gonna copy everything, okay, up to body ecology. And I think this campaign was incorrect because this body ecology, oh, it is correct. I don't for whatever reason. All right, whatever. So then we go into our template, right? And we're gonna paste everything under title. Okay, so this is our other ad. So everything matches. This part here, body ecology, should really be under a sponsored by. So we're gonna move it. Okay. And then remember, we need to have this thing 3 times, right? So I'm gonna copy down. And then the only thing we need to modify, so we will need to copy this active, right? So we're gonna do it now. And then we will just need to modify the so we also need to copy this part here. So the campaign, this we're adding an ad is in this campaign and these ad groups. Okay, so if you had 20 now, you would do another 20. Okay, so in this case we have only 3. Okay, so I'm gonna, you see this is my title, so I'm gonna go here. Boom, I have exactly the same columns, right? So now the only thing I need to change is basically is this part here, right? Ad group equal the name of the ad group and the name of the campaign equal. Okay, so the campaign, we know which one is the campaign. The campaign is this one. Okay, so I'm just looking for the campaign here, and I'm gonna copied it for whatever reason. So you see in the URL, I need to, okay, give me a second, I made a mistake again. So I think I need to select it from here, copy. There is a, if you know how to use Excel, there's a better way to do it, but I'm just gonna keep it simple. Okay, I copy the name of the campaign, and then now I need the name of the ad group, and then I will need to change the ad groups, okay, just to reflect all the ad groups, right? So this is ad group 1, elderly 1, so I copy, and then this is 2 and 3, so I'm just gonna copy 1. So in this URL, when it says an ad group equal, so here we're gonna write elderly 1, okay? So this part here is done, so now I'm gonna copy down and then change only the ad group, okay? So this second line refers to elderly 2, okay, and the other one is elderly 3, okay? So when I'm here under ad group, I'm gonna say elderly 2, this one is elderly 3, okay, done. So now we've done the ads, okay. I'm just gonna delete this line here, okay. And now basically all you're gonna do is put it all together, okay. So you go under campaign and you take these 3 lines, copy everything and paste it here under A, okay. Then you go under ad groups and you don't take the first line, okay, you're just gonna copy this part here. So from add, okay, the first line, the first column is always gonna be add, okay. So you copy everything and you put it here under add, okay. Now we're gonna copy the keyword again. We're gonna start from add, we're gonna go across and then go down. So if you select everything, go here, copy everything, okay. Now we go to the very bottom, we take the ads again, we take from the column A, we take everything, okay. For you see, I've just noticed that here for whatever reason this first ad group was paused, so we're just gonna make it active, okay. So I don't know why it was paused, whatever, but so we're gonna select everything, select, copy there, and if everything is correct, you should have in the column A, you should only have add, okay. And then here we're gonna have a campaign, ad group, keywords, and ads, okay. So now basically this is all ready to go, okay. So you cannot upload it just like this, okay. So basically what you need to do is right click here, move or copy, make a copy, you create a new book, and now you're gonna have to save it as a CSV. So I'm gonna call it wrinkle elderly, today date, which is 24 of September, CSV, okay. We'll save it as CSV, and basically I think it was under so Gemini campaign. So you need to save it in the right so in a place where you can access it later, okay. So maybe it's this one, yeah. So this is under wrinkle in the wrinkle family basically. So I'm gonna save it there. And now to upload it, basically before you upload it, a good test is actually to copy the URL, and if everything is correct, you should see a site that is called bodyecology.com, okay. So whatever is in the URL, you should see that. So we're gonna go here and we pasted it, and we should see body ecology, and it works because we're seeing body ecology. So everything is fine. So that file is ready to upload. Okay, so I'm saving it, and now it's super simple. We go into Gemini, click on campaign, and then all you're gonna do is click on action, upload file, and pick your file, and you're done. Okay, so go here, I think it was here. Open, and that's it. It's gonna, you see, queued for upload. It's gonna be uploaded. Okay, so that's it. Watch this video 3 times if you need to, but it's actually very simple, and that's it. And then go ahead and create the campaigns that you need to create. Okay, take care, bye bye.